Delicious. Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Chef Pam. We're going to be making a cheesy bacon spinach dip, guys. Game day is here. This is a great dip. You can use it with nachos, crostinis, crackers, anything you want. Let's get busy. Okay guys, so the ingredients we're going to be using is cream cheese. We have mayo, sour cream, cooked and crumbled bacon, Parmesan cheese. I have some mozzarella and provolone, and we have some frozen spinach that has been thawed and drained, as well as our seasonings. Now I will have everything in the description so that you can look it up and follow along and make this yourself. Okay guys, so the first thing that we are going to do is mix everything together. So we have our cream cheese, and I've got it softened just a little bit right now. I'm putting in my sour cream, and again, as usual, the measurements will be in the description. Okay, we're also going to be adding in our mayo. First, we want to get this mixed together, blended very well. Now I have some garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. And when this is all together, we're just going to dump this in and get it blended in as well. Again, guys, taste as you go and season according to your taste. Always taste as you go. Guys, so let's give this a little quick taste. Delicious. Let's finish getting this blended up here. This is delicious already, guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now we are going to fold in our spinach, our bacon. I'm gonna reserve just a little bacon for the top, as well as our cheeses. Again, I'm gonna reserve a little bit for the top. Add in our Parmesan. You want to kind of just fold this in until it's well blended. Okay, I think that's going to do it. And guys, you can use any size casserole dish you want, anything you want. I am using my little cast iron skillet. I actually freeze any that I don't use if I have some left over, and use it at another time. It freezes very well, guys. But it's just two of us, so I don't need a ton. Well, I may not have much left over, guys. All right. I'm just gonna go ahead and put all this on in here. This was the perfect amount. And I know the skillet looks little, and we're gonna push this on down in there. And I am going to sit this inside of another dish, probably one of my little glass dishes, so that in the event it runs over, it will not mess up my oven. Okay, we just want to go in on the top with just a little cheese again. And just a little crumbled bacon on top. All right, guys, we're going to put this in a 350-degree oven for about 25 minutes, and we will be back. Okay, guys, we are all done. Doesn't that look amazing? Yes. Okay, guys, let's get ready for our taste test. Okay, guys, I'm just going to put it on a cracker here. Put it on a cracker. Oh, my God. Look at that cheese, guys. Look at that cheese. Look at that cheese. Look at that cheese. Isn't that amazing, guys? This is going to be so good. Ooh, look at that cheese. Oh, my goodness, guys. Oh, my goodness. Okay, I'm going to have to cut that. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Yes. Okay, let's give it a test. Guys, look at that. Look at that cheese. Oh, isn't this amazing? I'm going to put this whole cracker in my mouth. The garlic, the garlic, the spinach, the bacon, the cheese. What can I say? Oh my goodness. Guys, if you aren't subscribed to me, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. Guys, give me a thumbs up, share me out, and leave me some comments. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.